Do you think doctors always tell you the truth? It's a good question. My mother, a few months ago, was on a 3-month vacation down in Florida, visiting my sister and my new nephew. She had some swelling. Went to a doctor, they did an ultrasound. They said they found something. Come in, get a biopsy. They took a biopsy in 3 places. Had a meeting with my mother and showed her an ultrasound and said, this is a tumor. But it's smooth. Doesn't look like a cancerous tumor. Sure, it's benign. That's why we did the biopsy. Came back, but you should get it removed immediately. My mother, of course, it's a tumor. We should get it out. Then her insurance didn't cover that doctor. So she's like, okay, I'll take care of it when I get home with my normal doctor. Will you please send him your results, your findings? So my mom goes on thinking for a month she has a tumor. I never had fear. My mom and we know enough now about food. We knew we would be able to treat this. Still get it removed, but we'll find a way through this. And when she comes home, she calls her doctor. Says, so hey, we should schedule taking care of this. Her doctor says, taking care of what? He looked at her results from Florida. He saw the ultrasound. There was no tumor. Ever. There was no tumor. The report from the doctor said they did just a sample, a biopsy of some tissue samples, but on no growth. The reason why they did the biopsy actually didn't make sense. The ultrasound the doctor showed my mother wasn't hers. He tried to do an unnecessary surgical procedure for money. If you don't think your doctors are based on a profit base, you're wrong. That's how they make their money, by doing surgeries and procedures and even prescribing medicine. I love doctors. There's a lot of great ones out there. Many of them care about your health. But like any profession, many of them are in it for the money. They don't care. And an unnecessary surgical procedure that necessarily wouldn't have done my mother necessarily any harm, but possibly could have. You can die from unnecessary surgical procedures. Anesthesia itself can just kill you. So he put my mom's life at risk so he could make a buck doing something that was totally unnecessary. As it is, the biopsy he probably got paid on. This is the system that we live in. You have a choice. You can try natural first, or you can go the doctor route. Okay? I'm telling you, you should always lean here first. And you should always get a second opinion on anything they tell you over here. Because this is a for-profit system. Nature doesn't make money on you. Maybe some farmers that grow your food, but there is always an answer right here. If you don't know what that answer is, seek help. That's what we're here for. We're here to teach you the power of nature. I love Western medicine. We have some amazing technologies and sciences. But the abuse of that will always exist when it's a for-profit system. And it is a for-profit system. If you don't make time for your wellness, you will make time for your illness. Always get a second opinion. And please, please, try nature first. I love you. Have a blessed day.